Merry meet everyone, this is Shiv Shakti and I'm here to give you your weekend reading. Actually, it's your Sunday reading now, and I'm really sorry about not being able to put one up yesterday. I had a bit of a personal emergency. I'm sure you'll forgive me for it. Okay, so let's get down to the reading. We're using the Sacred Path cards, and the number we've picked today is 18. It's called Whirling Rainbow. Unity, wholeness achieved. This is a very, very beautiful card which talks about how everything within us and without us is actually the same, right? And we're all together, we're all united, we're all come from the same chunk of whatever it is that we came from. But the fact is, there have been things that have shown us otherwise and told us we're separate. But the truth is that we're not. We're all one. And not just externally, internally also. We're also conflicted about so many things. We're also questioned about so many things. And that's not because of anything else, but that we are divided within us. Should I do this? Should I do that? Should I do it like this? Should I do it like that? That is what we're conflicted about. The Whirling Rainbow talks to you about a very simple principle of unity within and without. It says that if you have a problem, it's very easy to actually find a solution or solve it yourself for the simplest reason that you have that knowledge within you. As long as you work with one focused intention of doing the things that you really want to do and you want to do, you are absolutely sorted. There is going to be no issue. Now, the question is, how do I know what I want to do? That takes a little digging. And that is what this Whirling Rainbow talks about. That there is going to be times in your life where you're going to have to dig deep, going to have to become still within yourself, not let an outside influence occur. And once you do that, you will actually come to a lot of clarity that sort of unites you within yourself. And please realize that not everything that you're going through is your own. You are also picking up on other people's trouble, other people's joy, other people's worries, other people's bliss, everything. Learn to distinguish all of that. Learn to make sure that what you're going through is really your own, that you're not borrowing someone else's or taking it off their shoulders, because you're getting loaded and burdened by it, and you do not need that. All you need to do is know that this, yes, belongs to me. I'm going to deal with it. Okay? And otherwise, this does not belong to me. Thank you very much. Please keep it very far away from me. Right? And finally, there's a very beautiful sentence in the guidebook which I want to read out to you. It says, remember that any challenges to unity are equal to your ability to overcome them. I'm going to say that again. Remember that any challenges to your unity are equal to your ability to overcome them. It's as simple as that. Like they say, God only puts challenges in our path so that we can show to ourselves that we can do it. It's not like we have to prove anything to anyone else. Whatever we're doing to tell ourselves, to reassure ourselves and to remind ourselves that we can do this, right? So this Sunday is a time to bring peace, unity and wholeness within yourself. And of course, if you're peaceful and whole within yourself, that energy is going to flow out. So it's going to encourage other people to be peaceful and united within themselves. So that's what it is all about today. So I just want to say that, don't get so worried about what other people are going through, what other people are saying, what other people are doing. Find your own unique language to everything. Not just the words that you use, but also the kind of actions that you take. Everything, the kind of clothes you wear, the kind of people you interact with, the kind of television you see. Do not get into mass mentality. You are only responsible for yourself and no one else. No one else. Please take responsibility. Stop blaming people. Because blame kind of, makes you lose that responsibility, the self-responsibility. So just have a great time, because you know that you have the ability within you to overcome whatever issue you're going through. Have a great Sunday, guys. And not just a Sunday, you can carry this message throughout. Have a great time, and I will see you tomorrow on Monday. Have a great weekend. Bye bye. Love you.